Welcome to Cook Master Tips. Today, we're making a raspberry lemon drop martini, a tangy and sweet cocktail perfect for any gathering. Let's get started. Ingredients: 10 fresh raspberries, or more to taste, 2 fluid ounces lemon juice, 2 teaspoons white sugar, 2 fluid ounces vodka, 1 cup ice, or as needed, 1 wedge lemon. Directions: place 8 raspberries, lemon juice, and sugar into a cocktail shaker. Mash well with a cocktail muddler. Add vodka and ice to the shaker. Cover and shake until the outside of the shaker is frosted. Strain the mixture into a chilled martini glass. Garnish with a lemon wedge and the remaining raspberries. Prep time: 5 minutes. Total time: 5 minutes. Kcal: 150 kilocalories per serving. Servings: 1 serving. Don't miss out on our latest recipes and cooking tips. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Cook Master Tips, for more delicious content.